Hello everyone, welcome to the laravel helper series. Today in this video we are going to discuss about array except and array exist. So let's start with this array except. So array except method remove the key value pair from an array. So for example, we have passed this an array of which contain the name and the price. So it will, if we want to remove only, we want to print out only name, so how we can remove this price from there. So there is a except which is used to get the price except which you keep provided here. So let's understand it with real-time implementation. So in the previous videos we implemented the dot array dot here, and now here I'm going to add this array. So what's the array contain the name, and I'm going to assign it to my name, and then second would do what the second would be the channel, and then this channel contain the value of career development lab, right? So now I want to print out only name, right? So I'm going to first save this into the output variable, and here I'm going to type what's the helper. So helper would be the remove. Let me view it from the documentation. It's accept. Okay, so accept, and then we need to pass the array first, and then second parameter we need to define its key, right? So I'm going to let me pass the channel here. So I want to print the output except this channel, right? So let's dd this output, save it, and let's get refresh. Here we implemented this dot notation, and yes, now it's returning name Dayat Niazi. So it means that we skipped this channel, right? This array key and value. So how we can implement how we can remove the first, right? So I'm going to pass the name. So it's now going to return the channel with value, not to name, right? So now it's returning name channel with name. So it means that we successfully removed our first key and value from this array. So now we move forward to this exist. So it's going to check that if this index exists or not, right? So here I'm going to comment them both out, and I'm going to copy this here, right? And here I'm going to add this array, and on this array I'm going to implement this output and array exist, right? It's pretty same. So array exist. Okay, in the second parameter we need to check that if it exists or not, right? Like this, we pass this here, and it will return true or false. So here we pass the name. If this name key is exist or not, so it exists, it's going to print us a true. Refresh, and yes, it's turning true. So now I go here and pass this channel. So it's also going to return the true because this channel also exists, right? Refresh, and yes, it's also returning true. So now I came here and did a typo mistake here. Refresh, it's not going to return true, it's going to return false, and yes, now it's returning false. So it means that array exists to check the array with this key, right? So now let's understand it. Like if I go here and type array, and we are going to basically test our this index array, right? So how we can check this? So I'm not sure, but I'm doing this like if this 0 index exists, so it's going to return the true, otherwise it's going to return the false. And yes, it's turning true. So if I pass this 1, so it's also going to return the true. I'm not accessing their value, I'm accessing their keys, right? So if I type 2, which index does not exist because there is only 0 1 index, so these are basically their values, right? Remember. So now it's going to return the false. Wait for a moment, and yes, now it's returning false. It means that we successfully checked our index array and associative array, that keys are exist or not. So hope you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe the YouTube channel and support me to earn more money from this channel. Then I will shoot different playlist and Laravel tips and tricks on this channel. So I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.